how to fix low-level fatal error on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the low-level fatal error on your Windows 10 or 11, then first you need to open up your Steam application. Now, once you open up your Steam, you just need to simply go with the library option, which is on the upper left, and go with the game. Right-click on the game in which you are facing the problem, and go with the properties. Under properties, you just need to simply go with the installed files and click on verify integrity of game files, and just wait for some time till it loads. So it might take some time. This will check if there are any corrupted files on your game, and it will fix if there are any corrupted files. And after that, you need to restart and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply search for GeForce. Once you open up your GeForce, you will have settings on the upper right of your screen. You just need to simply go with the settings option. And under settings, you need to simply toggle off the option which is automatically optimize newly added games and applications. So untick the box next to it and then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. The next thing or the next useful solution is to update the graphics driver. Now to do that, you need to right click on your Windows button and then go with the device manager options. And under your device manager, you just need to simply go with an option which is display adapters. So enlarge the display adapters, select the display adapter in which you're facing the problem, right click on it, go with update drivers, and then go with search automatically for drivers. And the best drivers for your device will be automatically installed. Once you've updated, now you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your Windows and go with settings. Once you open up your settings, go with the Windows update. And if you have any updates or if any updates are available, then you just need to simply go with fix issues and then install the updates. Once you've updated, you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you just need to simply launch your Steam application. Go with yes and launch your Steam. Go with library and then go with the game in which you're facing the problem. Right click on it, go with properties and then go with the general. And under the general section on the left side, you'll have an option that says the launch options. So here you need to make sure to enter a command in the box. So the command is this one. You just need to simply go and type in the command. And once you enter the command, you just need to simply go back and restart it. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your low-level fatal error on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.